Hello everyone. Today I'm going to start CBSE questions from chapter number 10, circles. CBSE previous year's questions. Okay, so let us start with the first question. In the given figure, the radii of two concentric circles are 13 centimeter and 8 centimeter. AB is a diameter of the bigger circle. So this is the bigger means outer circle. Okay, and the BD is a tangent to the smaller circle touching it at D, that is touching the smaller circle. Okay, and find the length AD. This length we have to find. So first of all, let us start with this angle. This angle is 90 degree. Why this angle 90 degree? Because angle in semicircle. ये जो है ना, AB is a diameter for the bigger circle, and this angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Now also OD perpendicular to BE and D is the midpoint of BE. That is OD bisects BE. Why? Why OD perpendicular to BE? Because tangent is
Perpendicular to center.
what? Repeat.
Perpendicular to center to the chord bisects the chord.
Okay. OD bisects BE, that is clear. But why OD perpendicular to BE?
Because they follow through point of contact.
Right, very good. Tangent is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Okay, fine. So both the reason we have to write OD perpendicular to BE and OD bisects BE, because tangent is perpendicular to the radius and perpendicular drawn from center to chord bisects the chord. Right. Now we'll take this triangle OBD and use Pythagoras theorem. What is the value of OB?
13 centimeter.
13 centimeter. Very good. What is the value of OD?
8 centimeter.
Fine, good. So in triangle OBD, by Pythagoras theorem, we will get OB square is equals to OD square plus BD square. Right. Now we'll substitute what we have to find BD. BD find करना है, तो इसको यहाँ पे shift करेंगे, it will become minus. So BD हो जाएगा root over OB square minus OD square. Now substitute the value of OB and OD. That is OB is equals to 13 centimeter and OD is equals to 8 centimeter. Right. So 13 square is 169 minus 64. So we'll get root over 105 centimeter. We'll keep like this only. Now BE is 2 times BD. Already we told that we mentioned that here OD bisects BE. So therefore BE is equals to 2 times BD. That means 2 times angle root over 105 centimeter. Right. Now in triangle AEB, see this triangle AEB, full triangle. What is the value of AB? What is the value of AB? Diameter of the bigger circle. What is the value of AB?
26 centimeter.
Very good, 26 centimeter. Now if we apply Pythagoras theorem, we will get AB square is equals to BE square plus AE square. Okay, and we need to find see AB value we have and BE, only we need to find AE. Okay, so हम लोग क्या करेंगे, BE square को इस तरफ shift करेंगे, it will become minus. So AE will be equals to root over AB square minus BE square. Okay, so now we'll substitute the value of AB, that is 26, and BE is 2 root 105. Okay, right. So this we have already discussed. AB 26 कैसे हुआ, because it is a diameter and radius is given 13 centimeter, so it is equals to 26 centimeter. Okay, so this is 676 and 4 into 105 will get 420. Okay, if you subtract, what you will get?
256.
Very good. 256 का square root कितना होगा?
16 centimeter.
16 centimeter. Very good. So we got the value of AE. See, DE is already with us, 105, root over 105. Now we got AE. So how will you find AD? Which which is the actual target to find the value of AD by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so in right triangle AED, AD square is equals to AE square plus DE square. So AD will be root over AE square plus DE square. Now this is 16 and this is root over 105. So we'll substitute. So 256 plus 105. 256 plus 105. How much we are getting? 256 plus 105. We'll get 361. 361 किसका इसका स्क्वायर रूट कितना होगा?
19.
19. Very good. So the final answer is 19 centimeters. So this is the first question, and ये 2014 का question है. So now we are moving toward the another CBSE question, that is 2015. From a point P outside a circle with center O, tangent PA and PB are drawn to a circle. Prove that OP is the right bisector of the line segment AB. So सबसे पहले diagram draw कर लेते हैं. So let PA and PB are the tangents to this circle with center O from an external point P. Okay, so we'll join AB and let AB intersect OP at point M. Now in these two triangles, now we are going to prove these two triangles congruent. Okay, so these two triangles, the yellow and green one. So let us start with the first one. PA is equals to PB. Why?
Tangents drawn from same
Tangents to
external point.
Yes, very good. Tangent drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Length of the tangents, right? Now, next, these two angles are equal. Why? Center lies on the bisector of the angle formed between two tangents drawn from an external point. Okay, and this is common, right? So let us start with PA is equals to PB. Second, MP is equals to MP common, and the third one is these two angles are equal. So why using which rule these two triangles are congruent?
SAS congruence rule.
Very good. By SAS congruence rule. Now, if these two triangles are congruent, so AM is equals to BM by
CPCT.
right, and these two angles are also equal. Why?
CPCT.
CPCT. Very good. But what is the sum of these two angles?
180 degree.
Why?
Linear pair.
Linear pair. Very good. Now see, this the sum of these two angles is 180 degree, and these two angles are equal to each other. So therefore, each angle will be equals to 90 degree. So MA is equals to MB, and this 2 will implies OP is the perpendicular bisector of AB or right bisector of AB. Any doubt? So we'll move toward the next question. Next question, this is also very important question, 2014 or 17 में आया हुआ question है. Prove that the tangents at an extremities of any chord of a circle, means endpoints, make equal angles with the chord. तो ये क्वेश्चन बहुत लोगों को समझ में नहीं आता एक्चुअल में, राइट? तो यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखो, डायग्राम देखो. सपोज ए बी इज ए कॉर्ड, राइट, और ए और बी दोनों एंड पॉइंट से हम लोग दो टेंजेंट ड्रॉ किए. सो पी ए एंड पी बी आर द टू टेंजेंट्स. ओके, राइट, फिगर इज क्लियर. ए बी इज ए कॉर्ड and A and B are two endpoints, and we are drawing two tangents from two endpoints of a chord that they will intersect at point P. Now what we have to prove that a chord makes equal angle. Okay, tangents make equal angle with the center. With the chord. So this is very easy. You can prove by two methods. मैं दोनों मेथड समझाऊंगा. ओके, सो सबसे पहला वाला जो अभी जो किए हम लोग वही वाला कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं, राइट. दिस पार्ट विल नॉट बी देयर, बिल्कुल कॉपी है वही वाला. पी ए इज इक्वल्स टू पी बी, राइट, बिकॉज tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. and MP is equals to MP common, and these two angles are equal, that is center lies on the bisector of the angle formed between two tangents drawn from an external point. So these two triangles are congruent by SAS congruence rule. So these two angles are equal by CPCT, right? Now this is not required, right? PA is equals to PB से हम लोग डायरेक्ट ये लिख सकते हैं. How you can write these two angles are equal if PA is equals to PB? Angles opposite to two equal sides are right. Angles opposite to two equal sides are equal. तो ये भी ठीक है, वो भी ठीक है, but that would be very easy. Whether this is clear to all of you? Right. So next question. This is CBSE 2012 question. In the given figure, a circle is inscribed. Inscribed means अंदर. Circumscribed means बाहर. ठीक है? In a circle, in a triangle PQR, PQ is equals to 10 centimeter and QR is equals to 8 centimeter and PR is equals to 12 centimeter. Right. Now we need to find the length of QM, this one, RN and PL. ये तीनों length निकालना है. Right. So we'll start with, we know that the length of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So these two are equal. So we'll take x. दोनों को x ले लेते हैं. Right. And these two are also equal. ये दोनों को y ले लेते हैं. And these two are equal. So we'll take z. Okay. So this step is clear. Right. So now PQ length is already given in the question. PQ. How will you write PQ from this figure?
X plus y.
X plus y is equals to 10. So that is the first equation. Now QR is equals to 8 centimeter. How will you write QR?
Y
Y
plus
Right, very good. Y plus Z is equals to 8. And PR is given 12 centimeters. So how will you write this 12 and PR?
Z plus X is equals to 12.
Very good. Z plus X is equals to 12. Okay. And we need to find X, Y, Z. अब यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग? What I will do, I will subtract these two. Subtract 2 from 3. So if you subtract, these two will be cancelled. Okay. ये दोनों का sign minus होगा. Right. 3 minus 1 कर रहे हैं. And the difference between these two is 4. So we'll get x minus y is equals to 4. This is clear? Let it be fourth equation. अब हम लोग ये दोनों इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करेंगे. x plus y is equals to 10, x minus y is equals to 4. So we will add. If you add, you will get 2x is equals to 14. So what is the value of x?
7.
7. So what will be the value of y?
3.
3. Very good. So solving 1 and 4, we get x is equals to 7 and y is equals to 3. अब हम लोग को z निकालना है. तो z निकालने के लिए इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हो y, और you can take this equation by substituting x is equals to 7. Right? So I am substituting here 3. So what is the value of z?
5.
5. Very good. So हम लोग को निकालना था सबसे पहले QM. QM is y. So QM is equals to 3 centimeter and RN is z is equals to 5 centimeter and PL is equals to x, that is 7 centimeter. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, fine, very good. So now we are moving towards the next question, 2009 C. C का मतलब compartment exam होता है, supplementary exam. A circle is inscribed in a triangle. This is triangle ABC, touching BC, CA and AB at P, Q and R respectively, as shown in the given figure. If AB is equals to 10 centimeter, AQ is equals to 7 centimeter and CQ is equals to 5 centimeter, then find the length BC. ये वाला length निकालना है. Okay. So we know that the length of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So AR is equals to AQ, right? So this 2 will be 7 centimeter. This is clear? Now CQ, how will you calculate BR then? AB is given 10 centimeter.
AB minus AR.
Right, very good. So AR is equals to AQ is equals to 7 centimeter. So BR is equals to AB minus AR. So how much we are getting?
3 centimeter.
3, right. So BP भी 3 हो जाएगा, ये दोनों भी equal हो जाएगा, and already CQ it is given 5 centimeter. So CP कितना होगा?
5 centimeter.
So
Centimeter.
finally we can calculate now. We can calculate BC. What is the length of BC?
8 centimeter.
Right. BP plus CP, that is 3 plus 5, 8 centimeter. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving towards one of the most important question जो 2001 में आया है, 2002 में आया, 2006 में आया, 2014, 2017. So this is very, very important for this year also. A circle is touching the side BC of triangle ABC at P. Now diagram is not given. Touching AB and AC produced at Q and R respectively. Right? एक सर्कल ड्रॉ करना है, उसमें एक ट्रायंगल जो है, ट्रायंगल का जो BC है उससे टच होते हुए एक सर्कल बनाना है, राइट? उसके बाद BC को एक्सटेंड करना है और AC को एक्सटेंड करना है, राइट? So this diagram you will get. Okay. So circle touches BC at point P, it is given, and when we extend AB, it will touch the circle at point Q and R. Now what we have to prove that AQ is equals to half of perimeter of triangle ABC. So let us start with the first step. We know that the length of the tangents drawn from an external point are equal. So we can write AQ is equals to AR, first one, because tangents drawn from A. Second one, BQ is equals to BP, these two, tangents drawn from P. And the third one, CP is equals to CR, tangents from C. Okay. Now what is the perimeter of triangle ABC? What is the perimeter of triangle ABC?
AB plus BC plus AC.
Very good. Sum of three sides. Right. अब इसमें हम लोग BC को split करेंगे. We'll split the BC. How will you split BC?
BP plus PC.
Okay, very good. BP plus CP. Now BP can be replaced by BQ and CP can be replaced by CR. Okay, so we'll replace using equation number 2 and 3. Now, what is AB plus BQ?
AQ.
Right. And what is CR plus AC?
AR.
AR, right. AQ plus AR. Now these two are also equal from equation 1. So we can write AQ plus AQ or 2 times of AQ, right? So now what is AQ? Perimeter of triangle ABC is 2 times of AQ. So AQ will be half of perimeter of triangle ABC. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Right. So now we are moving towards the next question. PA and PB are tangents to the circle with center O from an external point P touching the circles at point A and B respectively. Show that quadrilateral AOBP is cyclic. 2014 का क्वेश्चन है ये. So पहले तो डायग्राम देख लो, right? PA and PB are the two tangents to a circle with center O from an external point, and we know that the tangent is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. So these two are 90 degree. Right? Any doubt in these two?
Okay.
Now what is the sum of all the angles of this quadrilateral?
360 degree.
360 degree by angle sum property of quadrilateral. Right. Now the value of this angle is 90 degree and this angle is also 90 degree. So 90 plus 90, 180. सो बाकी दोनों का भी सम 180 हो जाएगा. इज दैट क्लियर? यूजिंग 1 and 2. सो ऑपोजिट एंगल्स का सम 180 डिग्री है, ये भी, इसका भी सम 180 डिग्री है और इन दोनों का भी सम 180 डिग्री है, राइट? सो देयरफॉर quadrilateral AOBP is cyclic quadrilateral since both pairs of opposite angles have some 180 degree. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Right. So now we are moving towards another very important question. In the given figure, the side AB, BC and CA of a triangle ABC touch a circle with center O and radius R at point P, Q, R respectively. Prove that AB plus CQ is equals to AC plus BQ, right? And the second, area of triangle ABC is half of perimeter of triangle ABC into radius R. So let us start with the theorem proof. First we will start with the length of the tangents drawn from an external point are equal. So AP is equals to AR, BP is equals to BQ and CQ is equals to CR, right? So three equations we will write, 1, 2, 3. Now we'll take the left hand side. इसका लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लेंगे हम लोग. सो ए बी को हम लोग स्प्लिट कर सकते हैं ए पी प्लस बी क्यू. नाउ हाउ व्हाट यू कैन राइट इन प्लेस ऑफ ए पी? AR. And in place of BP?
BQ.
BQ, right. So we'll replace. And in place of CQ we can write CR. Now what is AR plus CR?
AC.
AC, right. So this is equals to AC. So AC plus BQ. ये हो गया first bit का proof. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Right. Now this for second one. Second one we know that the tangent is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Right. So this is 90 degree. ये 90 हो जाएगा और ये भी 90 हो जाएगा और ये भी 90 हो जाएगा. Okay. Right. Now what we will do, we will join OA, OB and OC. Diagram is clear? Now how will you calculate triangle area of triangle ABC? Area of triangle OAB plus area of triangle OBC plus area of triangle OCA. ठीक है? तीनों triangle का sum and that is equals to area of triangle ABC. Now what is the area of this triangle OAB? What is the area of triangle OAB? Half into base into height. Base is AB and height is R, OP. And what about the area of triangle OBC? Half into base, that is BC, and height is OQ. And what is the area of triangle OCA? Half into base, that is AC, and height OR. So we'll substitute. Now what is OP, OQ, OR? What is the value of OP, OQ and OR?
R.
R, right. So we'll replace all these three by R. So now what we can take common? Half sabhi mein hai. We can take common and R also we can take common. So what is left over here? AB plus BC plus CA. So we'll get this step. Now what is AB plus BC plus CA? What is AB plus BC plus CA? Sum of three sides.
Perimeter of triangle ABC.
Very good. So half into perimeter of triangle ABC into R. This is the proof of second part. Now this actually in some of the reference book this is given as a formula also. So we can use also this formula in some of the question. I will use this formula in the next question. Okay. So any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Right. So now we are moving towards another CBSE question that is in 2006 C compartment and 2013. In the given figure, ABC is a right angle triangle with AB is equals to 6 centimeter and AC is equals to 8 centimeter. A circle with center O has been inscribed inside a triangle. Calculate the value of R, the radius of the inscribed circle. So first of all, actually this is the not actual diagram which is given in the exam. So यहाँ पे OE, OA, OB, OC यहाँ पे join नहीं था, right? So इसीलिए join OA, OB and OC, right? Now draw OD perpendicular to AB, OE perpendicular to BC and OF perpendicular to CA. ये भी जरूरत नहीं है, यहाँ पे केवल क्या लिखना है कि this is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree, this is also 90 degree. Why these are 90 degree? This is not required. Why these are 90 degree?
Sir, because tangents are perpendicular to the center.
हाँ, very good. Tangent is perpendicular. तो यहाँ पे draw नहीं आएगा, ठीक है? ये काट दो, बाकी ये वाला लिख सकते हो. OD is perpendicular to AB. Reason is tangent is perpendicular to the radius. बस इतना ही लिखोगे तो भी चल जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे reason खुद से लिखना है, right? Now OD is equals to OE is equals to OF is equals to R centimeter. That is radius, right? Now what is the area of triangle ABC? You can calculate right now also. What is the area of triangle ABC? Half into, this is base,
AB.
this is height, because already right angle triangle is given. Okay, so half into AB into AC. So AB is 6 and AC is 8. So how much we are getting? 24 centimeters square, right? And just before this question we have already seen the area of triangle ABC can be written as half into perimeter of triangle ABC into R. So we can equate, this is 24 and this is AB plus BC plus CA, right? Now this is 6 and this is 8. Now how will you calculate BC? How will you
So
calculate BC?
Pythagoras theorem.
Yes, very good, by Pythagoras theorem. So AB square plus AC square whole root. Wait, this is 6. So 36 plus 64, 100. So what is the answer?
10.
10, right? So we'll substitute in place of BC 10, right? Why? Because BC square is equals to AB square plus AC square. That will imply BC is equals to 10. Now 6 plus 10 plus 8, you will get, how much you will get?
24.
Say 24 is equals to 1 by 2 into 24, right, into R. So this 24 will be cancelled and we'll get R is equals to 2 only. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So hence the radius of the inscribed circle is 2 centimeter. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Now we are moving towards, अच्छा इसको एक और method से कर सकते हैं. Let me explain the other method also. See, this is 90 degree, right? And this is also 90 degree. Now whatever the method I am explaining, that is very easy method. थोड़ा ध्यान से देखो. First we will find BC is equals to 10, right? BC is equals to 10 पहले find करेंगे. उसके बाद ये जो ADOF है उसको square proof करेंगे. How? These two angles are 90 degree and this is 90 degree, it is given. So this is also 90 degree. And these two are equal, adjacent sides. So this is a square. So this is R, right? Side of a square. Now what is the length of this one? CF. जल्दी बोलो. 8 minus r. What is the length of BD?
6 minus r.
Okay, what is the length of CE?
Sir, 8 minus
Right?
r.
And what is the length of BE?
6 minus r.
What is the sum of these two? 10. BC. The sum of these two is 10. So दोनों को ऐड करने से कितना आ रहा है? 14 minus 2r is equals to 10. So what if you solve, you will get r is equals to 2. So which method is very easy? Reply fast. Which method is easy? This one or ये वाला?
First one.
First method is easy. और किसी को ये वाला मेथड इजी लग रहा है? मुझे तो ये इजी लग रहा है. ठीक है. एनी हाउ जो मेथड इजी लग रहा है वही अप्लाई करो. नाउ वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. 2010, 11, 15. ओके. सो बोलते हैं ना जो लास्ट 10 इयर्स के क्वेश्चंस कर लो तो बहुत अच्छा होता है. यू कैन स्कोर अ गुड मार्क्स. सो दैट इज व्हाई सी 3 times repeated this question, the same question. So in the given figure, a triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe, okay, a circle of radius 3 centimeter, such that the segment BD and DC, into which BC is divided by the point of contact D, are of length 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter respectively. Find the side AB if the area of triangle it is given 63 centimeter square. Okay. Question is clear. Now what we will do? We will join OEOF, right, and OAOBOC, and we know the length of the tangents drawn from an external point are equal. So this is 6, this is also 8, this is 8, and इसको हम लोग x लेंगे. जो टेक्स्ट बुक का क्वेश्चन है बिल्कुल उसी से मिलता जुलता क्वेश्चन है ये, राइट. उसके बाद जब हम लोग पूरा ज्वाइन करेंगे तो फिगर कैसा मिलेगा देखो. लेंथ ऑफ द टेंजेंट्स ड्रॉन फ्रॉम एन एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट व सर्कल आर इक्वल. सो ए इज इक्वल्स टू AF, that is x. BD is equals to BF is equals to 6 centimeter. CD is equals to CE is equals to 8 centimeter. Now we have joined OAOBOC, okay, and ODOEOF, right. Now what is AB? What is AB? X plus 6. And what is BC? 14. What is AC?
X plus 8.
X plus 8. Right. So we'll write all these three sides. Correct. Okay. Now, how will you find the area of triangle? Area of this triangle plus area of this triangle from area of this plus area of this triangle. So we'll get the area of complete triangle, that is ABC. This step is clear. So what is the area of this triangle? Half into base into height. So base is AB and height is OF. And what is the area of this triangle? Half into base into height. So base is BC and height is OD. And what is the area of triangle OCA? Base is AC and OE is the height, right. So now we'll substitute all the values. This is x plus 6, 3, 14, 3, x plus 8, 3. Okay. So now see, इसमें से हम लोग क्या कॉमन ले सकते हैं? 3/2. We can take 3/2 common from every term, each term. 3/2. So what you will get? X plus 6 plus 14 plus x plus 8. कितना आ रहा है देखो? x 2x, 6 plus 14 20 plus 8 28. So we are getting 3/2 if you take common 2x plus 28, right. इसमें से 2 डिवाइड कर सकते हैं कॉमन लेके इस 2 के साथ में, राइट. और ये इसके साथ में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं 21. So we'll get x plus 14 is equals to 21. So what is the value of x?
7 centimeter.
7 centimeter. Right. So हम लोग को AB निकालना था इसमें. तो AB है x plus 6. That is 7 plus 6, 13 centimeter. Any doubt in this question? Okay. Next question. In the given figure, XP and XQ are two tangents to the circle with center O, drawn from an external point X. ARB is another tangent, this one, touching the circle at R. Prove that XA plus AR is equals to XB plus BR. So this is very easy question, and we'll use the theorem that the length of the tangents drawn from an external point are equal, right? So what we will get, AP is equals to AR and BR is equals to BQ and XP is equals to XQ. Okay, XP is equals to XQ, AR is equals to AP and BR is equals to BQ. Now how will you write XP? XP को कैसे लिखोगे ब्रेक करके? This one.
XA plus AP.
Very good. And XQ?
XB plus BQ.
Right. So now we will replace AP by AR and BQ by BR. So this is the proof. Next question. If from an external point P of a circle with center O, two tangents PQ and PR are drawn such that angle QPR is equals to 120 degree. Prove that 2PQ is equals to PO. So this is the diagram. This angle is given 120 degree. Okay. So first of all, we have to claim that these two are 90 degree. ये दोनों 90 degree है. कैसे? Because tangent is perpendicular to the radius, right? Now this angle QPO, angle RPO, both are equal. Why? Why these two angles are equal? Because center lies on the bisector of the angle formed between two tangents drawn from an external point, right? So ये पूरा full angle का half हो जाएगा. What is the full angle?
120 degree.
So what is the half of 120 degree?
60 degree.
60 degree, right? So we got this angle as 60 degree. Okay? Or PQ with respect to this angle, PQ is which side? Opposite adjacent hypotenuse. PQ.
Adjacent.
Very good. And OP? Hypotenuse. So which trigonometric ratio is there with respect to adjacent and hypotenuse?
Cos theta.
Very good. So cos theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse. That is cos this angle, cos of this angle is equals to PQ upon PO. And cos 60 is equals to PQ upon PO. What is the value of cos 60?
1 by 2.
Right, 1 by 2. Now if you cross multiply, you will get the answer. That is 2 times PQ is equals to PO. यही proof करना था. Any doubt? Next question. In the given figure, PA is a tangent from an external point P to a circle with center O. If angle POB is equals to 105 degree, find this angle. ये वाला angle कहाँ पर है देखो, ये वाला. This angle we have to find. So how will you find this angle? How will you find this angle?
Linear pair.
Yes, very good. Linear pair. And this angle is 90 degree. Why?
Tangent is perpendicular.
Right, very good. So tangent is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. So angle OAP is equals to 90 degree. And the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. That is linear pair. So we can find this value, that is 180 minus 115 degree. So 65. So we got 90 degree and 65 degree. How will you find the third angle?
By angle sum property of
Very
triangle.
good. By angle sum property of triangle. The sum of all the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. In this, we have to find angle APO, right? So we can shift this to this side. So दोनों को shift करेंगे तो minus हो जाएगा. Now substitute the value 90 plus 65, 155. 180 minus 155. What is the final answer?
25 degree.
Right, 25 degree. So any doubt in this question? Right, now we are moving toward the next question. This is also very important. 2008 में आया exam में, 2011 also, 2012 also. From a point P, two tangents P and PB are drawn to a circle with center O and radius R. This is the notation of circle, okay? Circle with center O and radius R. If OP is equals to 2R, show that triangle APB is an equilateral triangle. See, first we will draw the diagram, okay? So let OP meets circle at point Q. This is the point, and we know that tangent is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. So OA is perpendicular to AP, right? So this angle is 90 degree. Now OQ is equals to QP. OQ is equals to QP. Why?
Because it is the median.
Because OP is 2R. Okay? OP is the 2R means diameter, and OQ is R. Then only this will be R. Okay, 2R, 2 दोनों का sum 2R है ना. OP is 2R. That is why OQ and PQ both are equals to R. Is that clear? OQ radius है and QP is OP is given 2R, so QP is also equals to R. That means Q is the midpoint of OP. That means Q is the midpoint of OP. And we have one property that अगर hypotenuse का जो midpoint है वो अगर हम लोग वो जो है वो equidistant रहता है from point O A P, right? That means this are equal. Okay, so OQ QA is equals to OQ is equals to QP, and all are equals to R. So this will imply OA is equals to OQ is equals to QA, because these two are equal. OA, OQ, QA. So if all three sides are equal, what about this triangle?
It is an equilateral triangle.
Very good. It is an equilateral triangle. Which one? ये वाला AOAQ, right? Yeah, AOQ. But we have to prove APB is an equilateral triangle. तो उसके लिए भी R है. So what is the value of this angle?
60 degree.
60 degree. Very good. Because each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. So this is 60. ध्यान से देखो. And this is 90. So what is the value of this angle?
30 degrees.
30 degree, right, by using angle sum property of triangle. So angle AOP is equals to 60 degree because AOQ and AOP both are the same angles. So this will imply angle APO is 30 degree. Why? Because the sum of these three angles is 180 degree, one angle is 90 degree, and another angle is 60 degree. So this angle will be 30 degree. Now angle APB is 2 times of this angle. Why? Why angle APB is 2 times of this angle? Because center lies on the bisector of the tangents formed center lies on the bisector of the angle formed between two tangents drawn from an external point. So that is why this full angle is 2 times of angle APO, that is 60 degree. Right? Now PA is equals to PB implies that these two angles are also equal. And one angle is already equals to 60 degree. So other two angles are also equals to 60 degree. Is that clear? That means triangle PAB is an equilateral triangle. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So now we are moving toward the last question. Now this is the last question of today's revision number 2. The incircle of an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equals to AC touches the side AB, BC, CA at point D, E, F respectively. Prove that E bisects BC. 2008, 12, 13 compartment and 2014. So this is also very important question. So diagram ध्यान से समझो. In circle of an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle के अंदर में circle है, right? And it touches AB at point D, BC at point E and AC at point F. We have to show that कि ये E जो है BC को bisect कर रहा है. Now this is very simple question. See, first of all, we know that the length of the tangents drawn from an external point are equal. So AD is equals to AF, BD is equals to BE, and CE is equals to CF. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So first equation, second equation, third equation. Now, given that AB is equals to AC, how will you write AB? How will you write AB?
AD plus BD.
Very good. How will you write AC?
AF plus FC.
Very good. So AB we can write AD plus BD and AC we can write AF plus CF. Now these two are already equal, AD or AF. ये दोनों equal है ना? So we can eliminate. So we'll get BD is equals to CF. Now BD किसके बराबर है?
BE.
BE and CF.
CE.
Very good. So we'll replace. So ये दोनों equal हो गया. That means E bisects BC. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So this is the last question of today's revision. I have taken around 12-13 CBSE questions. So now we are moving towards the assignment question. Here also 4 questions, CBSE questions are there. So you have to do by yourself, okay? As a homework, मैं ये Google Classroom में अभी post कर दूँगा, and you have to submit in the same, right? So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.